Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. Hey, Mbappe with a broken nose. Hey. Um, I've already solved the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. This one has 3 stars. And by the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've heard that Donald Sutherland has died at age 88. Yeah, it's the actor in a lot of movies. The Hunger Games, Kelly's Heroes. Yeah. Alright, enough. Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8756. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. That's a lot. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Double those numbers, and you get 16. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes here. Well, I don't think it's 3 stars. Let me give this a 1 star or 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, 13 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box. There, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? I see here one duo box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Well, can see any triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes then? See here quadra box, here quadra box, and there quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These, we have a quarter box here, and these 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this quarter box should be there. And the other numbers could be F. No, this box can be 3, that box can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 1. Okay. Here another quarter box. Insufficient information right now. I cannot fill this yet. My next strategy is now to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the S construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. If you flip this and you mirror this, you will get the Z construction. But it's the same shape. Alright, let me draw this here. Where you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, It's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we have a 2 here. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be some 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2 then. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Make sure number 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes, so out of 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5 in this S construction. For the 5 we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I overlooked this. Okay. Then these 2 boxes. Oh wait, these 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Then let me see. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. W area, yeah. Should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4 again, 3 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here 2 numbers left in this W area shape again. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well. I think this box should be a 1. Because this box cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 here, a double 3 here, and a double 4 here. So it can be 3 or a 4. Well, it's not true, not true. I need to wait here. That conclusion, I need to wait. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This could be also a 4 here. Both. Not one of them. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay, here I need to wait. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes in there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. I should be here. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there, and that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this quadro box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well, mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and 1. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.